If you're experiencing login issues on Vast.ai, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. This scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Vast.ai support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems on Vast.ai. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.